Close to one thing, hand it in. Close to one thing, hand it in. Handbrake long the day. Handbrake long the day. Long live. Long live. Long live.
Implemento. Along tin na may along langsung implemento opinion ni Sonson kita tang 4 September ni alamdon kachetok along Sonson
yung implement kat pinutang te ajat dan kita me nili tum kela bangso kachesong ke inkonte la ke tini yang kita ke la bangso putak implement long le la le implement lo pinutang te hala dak Maya long, aki hai dorsim long hang MLA. Alang kaning je pon kela ke totally jok alang ke ham sang asong atum hanta lang rock pateng aton ya alang kaning je nam kela pen ke karbing long ora lang rock pateng si kaning je alang ke karbing long ora kim tik si kala so
ham pega parmana pran kati pinta hai dipiketa nilutum ke gel kami tam hai wakan haja kami jatong hai pu labang so aning jorot khut ingkin jorot khut pensi dak sini rada thengno kachesong lo lapen kachesong le ke apang cheng tobla itu kalina Supreme Court New Delhi anda itu kengkam kideng pada ponegi lalu lo ini tu slogan kami lah teklongo
Monsam malah. Monsam malah. Karbiang long bisa kor. Karbiang long bisa.
West Karbiang Long. I reprimand the peace accord which has been resolved on 4th of September. Without further ado, we, including all the organization, we are going to file an PIL for the sake of 6 schedule which have been deteriorated. Lasi nilipini nalitum angno kapeklang yi ba alap ku hello Karbiang Long Youth Association lapen angta na KSA Shillong Tezpur Guwahati Nagaon Hojaipen Kachetong Tumpen nilitum dak Karbiang Long apartment 6 schedule wala dang te reservation awelo labang so aphuthak 6 schedule kitab chop dan pen ilitu man kedo atuliram ronghak CM akitab cibitan pen ke chokchi por he pen akam claim nangji pusi nili social activist and political activist West Karbiang Long pen pini social media print media electric media lapen respective Karbiang Long live cut news lapen today atum phan kapik lang jike close 2.3 open seat for all aphuthak nilitum social atum society atum tamen nang drone dekhe ko alam the pensi lamang so nalitumang no along lam than piklar daklok
the peace accord with your flaws and the peace accord with their comic clauses, but of all the comic clauses, the most laughable of all of them and the most detrimental to the fabric of 6th schedule is the 2.3 clause. We can never give our concurrence to this. We will never yield to the clauses that has been put there, rather straightforwardly or indirectly. But this is an outright attack on the fabric of 6th schedule, and since the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, and not just this council, all of the councils that have been set up by 6th schedule. It is an overarching insult, especially to Karbi Anglong and its 6th schedule, and to the 6th schedule, by which all the autonomous councils in Assam and out of Assam. So never are we going to yield or accept, but we will continue to express our grief. We will continue to express our dissent as a Karbi Anglong Youth Association, and not just Karbi Anglong Autonomous Youth Association. We have students here that are out of any association, and we also have football clubs here, Shining Star United FC, and all of us put together, we will continue to come again and again. So this is a message that we clearly convey without any
CM tuliram rong hang mate kaprek la so piece record long chok pu kache kroi du narada tuman he di la bang so piece record ko pos tumana phan ke jai ka tharan arje theklong le pin amuni thansi tamme jai ka thar tum muni lo pusi koi logi la pen ke komane 24 plus tum long ben sila tum ke hala tum menci rap loksi lo pusi koi sida la kali ni tum da Karbi Anglong Youth Association ke la ke amuka 24 plus tum le comment mang humang ha pen kroi det amuka jai ka thar tum le kroi det pusita men ni tum Karbi Anglong Youth Association pen ke la bang so puthak ke chok che si jong lo la si mo ke bang jilang sia chok che jong thibi
ini KSA ko ando ko ru ko ando
Ladak ka bangke, ladak arlo Karbi Anglong arlo hempia kese to atuma bangke ave alang tung kopine kasik sak do chata hai la bangke chini tung de lo sita me ang tana kiase mate wanam rela pusi la tum chipu alang tum bangke ang tana kiase tum mak dak nang chitong dun lo un ampen ke.
A humble request from the students of Karbi Anglong studying in Karbi Anglong itself, and those who are studying even outside of Karbi Anglong like Shillong and Guwahati and other cities. It is a humble request to the leaders of Karbi Anglong, the present leaders, whoever is leading the Karbi people. We would like to request you that you will lead the people of Karbi Anglong rightfully, with its total right. You will lead the Karbi people, because of your flawed leadership, we have suffered time and time again, but we did not want to see it again. We want you, we strongly demand you that you will lead us into the right place where we should get our total rights, where our rights will not be diminished, where our rights will not be hampered, where our rights will not be overstepped by any other people or the government or any association or any organizations. They strongly request that you will lead us without giving us false hope. Time and time again you have given us false hope that you will bring statehood for the Karbi people. Time and time again you have promised, but you did not fulfill your promise. Because of that, we are
Hamre na rong so pilong sita me Karbi Anglong Youth Association la pen ang tana KSA mate wanam rela atum pen jelang si la bang so pisekot kachetok chok che pu ningkangsamse cepak lang dulu democratic aron pen la si tim Karbi Anglong chief CM tuliram rong hang honorable MP Mr. Horen Singh Bay mate song chok kalong ke do tum chief atum halatum sita me Karbi Anglong arat mate Karbi Anglong atuma siang tong lo nitum Delhi along alamdon kachetok dam ke chok che ke lele do chat lo puche matha pen non ke bang GR ni bang ke kan non ka cepak keng apod lang la si ke chok che ke lele dim long bang ka lang tum cepak keng namo busin ning che thelo jong si cepak keng ke gulo tangte nili tu lo bang sok kachesong ke pinikang ka pajut kali jong se lang tum cepak keng ke lang gulo tangte la an suksesi kachesong ka dak pang tang thi Karbi Anglong Youth Association long live
bangso ipis ekor